Now to solve question number 5 of this integration we are discussing, x cubed sine tan inverse of x raised power 4 all over 1 plus x raised power 8. See what we do. We say, let's see a way we can remove some things here. Let u be equal to x raised power of 4. This is my u. Du dx will be equal to 4x raised power of 3. Because the power times the coefficient, the power minus 1, we have it to be this. Then the x will be equal to du all over 4x raised power of 3. Okay? Now, what we do? We bring it here. We say this means integral x cubed sine bracket tan inverse of, what is our x raised power for u? All over 1 plus x raised power of 8 times the x is the u all over 4x raised power of 3. It has reduced the work. We still want to reduce another work. We said this is our tan inverse of u, but let v equals to tan inverse of what? V. Tan inverse of u, please. Therefore, if you are differentiating this letter v with respect to the letter u, you will be having 1 over 1 plus u squared. When you have tan inverse of u, the differentiation of it is 1 over 1 plus u squared. Now, what is our u? 1 over 1 plus, what is our u? S raised power of 4, this is our u. All raised power of 2 is equal to 1 over 1 plus x raised power of 8. So, you said, therefore, make our du subject of formula. Du is equals to dv times 1 plus u squared. And what is our u? We now say dv equal to du equal to dv bracket 1 plus, what is our u squared? U squared means 8 raised power x raised power of 8. So when we make du subject of formula, we are comparing it with this. That means du times 1 du 1 plus x raised power 8 times dv, it will give you 1 plus x raised power 8. I'll carry it and come and put. I'll say this means integral. At this point, 1 over 4 is here. I'll bring it out. 1 over 4 integral sine, what do we call this? Our v, because tan inverse of u equal to v, all over 1 plus x raised power of 8 times dv bracket 1 plus x raised power of 8 over 1. So this will cancel this. This will be giving me 1 over 4 integral sine v dv. That is, integrate sine v with respect to v. Differentiation of sine is cos. Differentiation of sine x is cos x, right? We now say integration of sine will now be minus cos, because in integration there will be minus. Integration of sine will give you minus cos. So what we will have here is that you say 1 over 4 bracket minus cos v. Integration of sine v will be minus cos v. So you say plus c. That means, what is your v? Your v is tan inverse of u. And what is your u? U is x raised power of 4. That means your final answer will be minus 1/4 cos. What is my V? Tan inverse of what? Cos tan inverse of u. What is my u? X raised to the power of 4 plus c. So that is the answer to this. Minus 1/4 cos tan inverse of x raised to the power of 4 plus c. That is the answer to question number 5. Now, to solve question number 6, please note that this statement simply means all over 1 times 1 all over sod 1 minus x squared dx. So what we say is let u equal to sine inverse of what? X. Can we differentiate? Therefore, the u dx will be equal to, differentiate x, you have 1 all over square root of 1 minus square x, you have x squared. That is differentiation of sine inverse of x. Now what we now do is we now say make the x subject to formula, therefore the x will be equal to the u bracket square root of 1 minus x squared. So what we do, we'll carry it and put. We say this means integral, what is sine inverse? Sine inverse of x, I will say that is u times 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Then the x means du all over du bracket square root of 1 minus x squared. This will cancel this. Now you will be having integral u du at the end. This integral u du is something as integrating x dx, where you replace this x. How do we integrate this? The power is 1. Add 1 to the power, you have it to be 2 all over what? U power 2. So this one, the power is 1. Add 1 to the power, you have 2 all over 2 plus c. I've integrated. But you shouldn't leave your answer as u squared over 2 plus c. Replace u with what is equivalent to. You have it to be u is sine inverse of x. That is our u. All raised to the power of 2 all over 2 plus c. So we have gotten the answer. That is the answer to this question number 6. Thanks for watching the video.